Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So masala doodh or milk is one of the traditional Indian drink. This is made with lots of dry fruits and saffron. It is very healthy and tasty. Also, I think winters is the best season to enjoy garma garam masala milk at night. So yes, let's begin. So first we will make milk masala powder, and for this you will need 2 teaspoons of cashews or kaju, 2 teaspoons of almonds or badam, 2 teaspoons of pistachio or pista shell removed, 1 teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg or jaifal powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of saffron or kesar. Also, as saffron is very expensive, so alternatively you can add a pinch of turmeric powder to get the rich color. Now put all the ingredients in a mixer grinder. Now grind the nuts together until you get a proper powder, and your milk masala powder is ready. If you are making in large quantity, then make sure your nuts are not moist. Remove the masala milk powder and keep it in an airtight container or jar. Store in the fridge and use as required. If stored in fridge, then shelf life of this masala powder is about 1 to 2 months. For masala milk, take a saucepan and add around 2 cups of milk in this. Once the milk begins to boil, add around 2 teaspoons of sugar. Adjust sugar as per your taste and just mix it well. Boil it for good 1 to 2 minutes and then add around 3 to 4 teaspoons of masala milk powder in this and again mix it well. Keep stirring in between so that it does not burn from bottom. Allow it to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. As this milk is very healthy and full of nutrition, it's very good to have for everyone, but especially for pregnant women and growing kids. Now serve this thick garma garam masala milk and enjoy. You can also add a few teaspoons of the masala milk powder to various Indian sweets like firni, kheer, gulab jamun, suji ka halwa, sweet lassi and many more. So do try out this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.